Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video, I'm going to share with you some great, amazing, outstanding drugstore makeup removers. Let me tell you, all these things that I'm showing you in this video is under $10 and they work. They actually work. I wear so much makeup, and when it comes to the end of the day, I want taking off my makeup super quick, efficient, and actually works, but very low cost. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a makeup remover. I was just not into all that. I'm not into getting 5 cloths and you pay $40 for it and you only have 5 cloths. Like I'm not doing that. I wear makeup a lot. It's over 2-year span. I've been trying all these different makeup removers, and I am telling you, these recommendations that I have for you guys are it. Like, under $10, affordable, it works well, okay? You need it. I'm going to recommend it to you. So yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so if you're someone like me who wears full coverage, almost everything, matte, layers on top of layers of makeup, then these will definitely work for you. Now, if you wear less makeup than what I just mentioned, then this is going to work for you, because I wear matte lipstick, I wear matte foundation, I wear matte primers, I wear matte everything. The first one are these Olay wipes, okay? Olay is really killing it. I never ever thought about using Olay, because when I think of Olay, I think of much older audiences. I think of mature, like, so I never really thought about looking into their line. But when I was in store and I was like, you know, I'm starting from this end of the aisle and I'll go through all 16 aisles. So this is the Olay Daily Facials, okay? These are the dry cloths, the Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract 5-in-1 Cleansing Power Makeup Removers, Scrub, Toner, Mask, and Cleanser. But the thing is about these dry cloths, they are not actually dry, okay? They're so cool. I never thought of anything like this before. I didn't know about it being a 5-in-1, but it definitely is a scrub and a cleanser. I won't consider it a toner and a mask. I actually bought this one on Amazon. I think it was $2 to $3 on Amazon, and I freaked out and just bought it. So it comes with 66 dry cloths. Did you hear that? 66 dry cloths, and you only need one cloth to take off all the makeup off your face. This is how good this is. If you're someone who doesn't wear makeup on a daily basis, all you need to do, forget everything else in this video, buy this. And that's all you definitely need. Joking. I'm gonna link this down below so you guys can buy this. This is what I do. So you take one cloth, you put it underneath water a little bit, like get it damp, and then it will set up. The whole entire cloth will set up, and then you just use that to take off all your makeup. Can you believe that? Dry cloth, it turns wet, and then after you can wash out the cloth and then take off the remaining off of your face. Can you believe that? That is so sick. And then you just throw it in the garbage. So this is oil free, this is soap free, it's gentle for the eye area. I definitely love using this around the eye area. It takes off the mascara, all of that. It's soft on the skin, it's very soft, it's very lightweight in this. And show you. So it comes like this in 2 packs here. And then inside of it comes with, I wonder if you guys can see it, comes with all the cloths. I've been using this for so long, and it's been lasting me long because I only need one. And the best thing about this is if you're on the go, say you're on vacation, or you're just someone who does not want to spend a lot of time taking off their makeup, which is me a lot of times, especially if I'm coming home super late, and you're good. You can go to your bed and it works. I like live for this, okay? Okay, and next thing that I have here is an oldie but goodie, and definitely I do recommend everyone buying, okay, is this combo here. This combo will always win for the most affordable, most efficient, and effective way of taking off your makeup. And this is a Vaseline and baby wipes. And when it comes to baby wipes, you want to get unscented and you want to get sensitive skin, okay? You don't want to put anything scented on your face. I remember once I didn't even check the package, and I had aloe vera baby wipes, and it was like burning my face and my skin. It was a whole mess. So make sure you get unscented. These are the Parents' Choice baby wipes. I got this from Walmart, and this is gonna last you a long time because it comes with so much wipes inside of it. And all you have to do is get the Vaseline, which you can get at Walmart as well, or anywhere that sells Vaseline where you live. Vaseline, I got this for probably $2, and you just get the Vaseline. I've been using Vaseline. I use Vaseline for everything, for lip gloss, for my eyelashes, for my hair, like everything, for my skin. So what you want to do is get the Vaseline, and you want to put it all over your face, okay? Like actually drench your face in and like massage it into your face. And then once you do that, you go in with the wipes and you just wipe off everything, and it takes your makeup off clean. And if you don't want to use Vaseline, you can always use olive oil. People use coconut oil. I personally haven't used coconut oil for my makeup remover, so I don't know if it actually works well, but it probably would because it is an oil, just like how olive oil works. You can use castor oil, use any type of oil that won't irritate your skin. Both of these together is less than $10 because this was $2 for this whole entire huge pack, and this was $2, $2 to $3. I can't remember, or I might have paid like $4. And you can definitely go buy the no-name versions of this and it'll work exactly fine. I feel like this method, I do have to repurchase at least probably once a month for this because I do use a lot of wipes. I use them like crazy for taking off my makeup because there's just so much Vaseline on my face, and then I would have to take off everything. And again, after when you're finished taking off your makeup, no matter what makeup remover you use, you want to go in with washing your face again and just make sure everything, every little thing is always taken off. Oh, and another reason why I got these wipes out of any other wipes, because if you can use this on babies, then you can definitely use it on your skin. And everyone's been using Vaseline on babies like for rashes and all that stuff, so definitely this is not going to irritate your skin. And I'll link these down below in the description as well if anyone wants to buy these online instead of going to Walmart and getting these. So another brand that I did not expect me to look into, but good thing when I was in the store I was looking at every single brand. I went in the Pond's section, and again with Pond's, I think of more mature woman, the most heavenly cleanser I've ever bought, and I'm going to continue buying this. Let me show you guys the inside of it. I've been using this for months, and as you guys can see, it's still at the top because all you need is a little bit and it works magic. I'm not even joking. So this is the Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser, okay? This is a moisturizing deep cleanser and makeup remover, and definitely it is moisturizing on my face. And with me, when it comes to me like removing makeup from my face and just cleansing my face in general, I don't like having a moisturizing feel after, but it doesn't bother me with this because after, as I told you guys, when I take off my makeup, I go in with my cleansers, my scrubs, my soap and my water and stuff, and I actually take off my makeup. So I like feeling after when I wash my face is like stripped of everything, and then I go in with my lotion to put on my face. So if you're someone who likes using products where it gives you that moisture right after using it, then you're definitely going to like this. So all you do, take a little bit out on your hand and then you rub it on your face. You just see the makeup start breaking down and spreading and just coming off your face, and it looks so good. It feels good. I was like, I freaked out because I was like, where has this been in my whole entire life? It takes off everything, and then I go in and wash off. And you can definitely go in and wipe with a wet washcloth. If this can break down all of my makeup, whoo, you guys have a winner. I got this on Amazon and I think this was like $4. It was less than $10, okay? It might be a little bit more than $4. It might have been like $6, $7, but I don't think I paid that much. I'll link it down in the description. And another one that I have here is this Clean and Clear makeup remover. Cute packaging, I love it. The color is nice, you can see everything. This is the makeup dissolving foaming cleanser, and it instantly dissolves dirt, oil, makeup, even waterproof mascara in one easy step. And it's also oil free. Again, Johnson & Johnson doing very well with their makeup product. Okay, so for this product, I got it at Walmart. It was less than $10. I think it was $4 to $6. And I'm so obsessed with foams. Like, it's just really cool how they come out. And I feel like it's really cool with this brand how they decided to make their makeup remover in a foam style. Now it says that you can wet your face first before taking off your makeup. So you wet your face and then you put this on. With me now, I don't do that. I literally just take it, spray it on my hands, and then I rub it all over my face, and I put this on dry, okay? And it actually takes off the makeup. And this does work. I've been using this lately. This is actually the most newest thing that I have in my whole entire makeup remover collection, and I definitely recommend trying out because I've been using this probably for 3-4 weeks now, and it's been working. It's been taking off my makeup. It's been dissolving everything, breaking it down. The only thing is that I go in with a little cloth and then like a baby wipe, and then I take everything off, and then I go in with washing my face. I would say I would need to use 2 or 3 pumps of this in my hands because again, I wear a lot of makeup. It takes off eye makeup also. I feel like with all these products that are low price, it does do the job. It actually takes off the makeup, and that's what I want. I'm tired of using makeup removers that don't actually take off my eye makeup. It's annoying. I don't want to be waking up the next morning and underneath my eyes are dark. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Comment down below which makeup remover that you're willing to try out, or what your favorite makeup remover is. I'd love to try out more makeup removers. So these are my top 4 affordable makeup removers that I definitely recommend adding into your makeup collection. I'll link everything in the description box if you want more information on the exact price range, where I got it. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you all in my next one. Au revoir. Bye. But here's some more videos if you want to watch.